I'll be sharing a very cute Christmas decor that we all will love. This is a wall hanging type of Christmas decor. You all can even use it as your center hanging decor. You'll know once it's done. So basically here I am drawing different kind of shapes that resemble or bring in the Christmas spirit. So it's your choice what kind of shape you all want to decorate your house with. So these are the ones I have chosen, and now simply I will start drawing the outline of these shapes using a black pen or a black marker. And once I'm done, I'm just going to start painting them. So sketch pen would be a nice way to paint them because it gives a very vibrant look when you see these things. So this is done. See how cute it looks. And once you are done with the coloring and everything, you will just cut it out and then stick it to a thick cardboard like this shape. For example, I have cut out a star and I'm going to stick it to a hard piece of chart or cardboard, whatever you all have, and then I'm going to cut out that shape with the tape itself. So the top layer will be glossy. Once I have cut out the shape from all the sides, you will notice that I have two pieces. That's but obvious, the cardboard piece as well as the glossy piece of the taped side, the front. Now I'm going to take a nylon string and attach it with the help of a tape on the back part of the cutting, the hard side, the cardboard side. So this is going to be a hanging string, so you'll have to ensure that you leave little gaps between the decor and even on top for the hanging purpose. I'll glue this back portion of the decor, the cardboard area, and stick the top portion in this way. Friends, if you all want a turn around decor, you will have to paint the same thing on both the sides. However, I needed only one side focused. That's why I have kept it in particular this way. Can you see the string, the nylon string? I will just show you one more piece that I'm attaching. So there I've taken a bit of the tape. I have taped up the nylon string, added glue, and I'm sticking the top portion to the cardboard or the hard chart paper. And that's it. Once you are done with all the sticking in gaps, okay, ensure that you have kept gaps. This is what you will have, and trust me, it looks very attractive. I was continuously just watching this thing, how cute it looked. If you all like this decor DIY, do leave in your comments, and for more, please do subscribe.